Have you ever wondered what it takes to stand out in the sea of posts on Instagram? That is exactly what this course is about. This is creating thumb-stopping Instagram posts, the rules and tools. Welcome to this course. I am Jesse Onomiwo and I am in the driver's seat on this one. So I speak, train, and blog about how to win as a brand or business using digital marketing and social media technologies. It doesn't matter the size of your business, you can leverage on these tools to get results that can astound your competitors. I am the founder of Socially Niger, a platform that educates both newbies and experts on the subject of digital marketing and social media. I also host a weekly vlog series called Jesse Speaks, where I share practical and no nonsense tips on achieving your leverage with these marketing technologies. So, in this transformational course, we'll be looking deeply into the following. First of all, we're going to understand what thumb stopping Instagram posts are. We'll delve in further to look at 6 rules to creating thumb stopping Instagram posts. We'll also be exposed to 12 tools to instantly start creating stunning Instagram posts. And then we'll be introduced to the class project. So I'll be glad to see you on the inside.